Hello everyone. So for tonight we have the lesson about laws of exponents. In laws of exponents we have the following rules. We have 6. Let's have the first rule. So the first one is actually called product of powers. For example, if we have the given x squared times x cubed, then that is equal to, we just copy the base x, and then what happens to the exponents 2 and 3? We just add. So it becomes 2 plus 3, it becomes 5. Therefore, the final answer will be x raised to the 5th power. For the second example, we have power of a product rule. So in this case, we have quantity AB raised to 2. In this case, we will be using the distributive method. We will distribute the power or the exponent to A and B. Then we get A squared, B squared. For the third one, we call this power of a power. So we have x squared, quantity x squared raised to 3. Notice that we have two exponents, 2 and 3. So we just multiply, we get x raised to 6. Okay, and the fourth one is called quotient of powers. We have letters A and B. For letter A, the exponent of the numerator is 3 and the denominator's exponent is 2. So what happens with this? We just copy the base x and then we minus, we subtract. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So our final answer is x and the exponent is 1, of course. No need to write it. For letter B, we have x squared all over x cubed. So in this case, notice that the exponent of the numerator is lower than the exponent of the denominator. We get x raised to 2 minus 3, it becomes x raised to negative 1. And we have to take note of this. A negative exponent is a big no. So in laws of exponents, you should make it positive by getting its reciprocal. That's why we got 1 over x. Okay, and the last one we have power of a quotient. The example is quantity A over B squared. So that becomes A squared over B squared. So we just distribute the power or the exponent 2 to the numerator, which is A. And we also distribute the exponent, which is also 2, to the denominator B. That's why we got the final answer A squared all over B squared. Okay, we still have the last one, 0 exponent. So we have here x raised to 0 is equal to 1. So you might wonder why it becomes 1. Okay, we have a specific example. Since we have x raised to the 5th power all over x raised to the 5th power. So also applying the quotient of power rule, we get x raised to 5 minus 5 is equal to x raised to 0. Or if we do that by cancellation method, then we cross that out or we cancel out. Since the numerator and the denominator are the same, it means it is equal to 1. Therefore, x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so that's it for tonight. I hope you learned something new today. Bye!